Hello, everybody. It is your favorite seventh grade math teacher because I'm your only seventh grade math teacher. All right, so today I'm going to show you how to use Kami to send in your assignments. I'm using an account that no one has used in a while, so just bear with me. If you go up to the top, you'll see Open With. You open it, you have connected apps. Now, I have connected all of these apps or some of them with you. It may be that Miss Dixon or Miss Carroll have done the same thing. You currently have Annotate with Kami and Google Docs. Then you have suggested apps, but the one I like is Annotated with Kami. Now, you're going to go there. Check this out. You see the K. It's coming up. As it comes up, what you're going to see is it should have your name somewhere on there. Has that person's name. What you're going to do is you're going to be able to type or write. You can put all right, so once I do that, I'm gonna finish the assignment. I'm gonna put all of my work. I'm gonna make straight A's just because I'm that awesome of a person. Whoop whoop. After that, I'm gonna go over here. You go across the top. You have Kami, as in the Kami website. The teacher's information, Coppin State, on your beers. Then you're gonna have Turn In. Once you go to Turn In, you'll click Done. It says Not Done. You will then, drum roll please, turn it in. Now, allow Kami to save changes to Google Cloud to your Google Drive. It authorizes the Google Drive. Drum roll, please. You click on that person's name. All changes have been saved, and it's been submitted. Now, if I was like, wait a minute, I don't want to do that. All I got to do is unsubmit it. With that being said, that is my Google Classroom Kami information. If you need any more help, please, by all means, ask me. Bye-bye.